A logo is the visual representation of a company or organization. It creates recognition and helps people remember their experiences and associations with that company. Ideally, over time, it inspires affection and loyalty. Every logo has three main roles. Identification. A logo identifies a company in the marketplace. In an instant, visually symbolic way, a logo represents the company to the world. The logo may be the first thing a potential customer sees, and it needs to make a positive first impression. Distinction. An effective logo should be unique. It distinguishes the company from the competition, providing a way for customers to recognize and choose that company from other similar businesses. Communication. A logo says something about a company. This may be direct or it may be subtle, but every logo communicates a message. And a good logo communicates a positive message. It may be sophisticated, informal, solid, reliable, caring, professional, creative, etc. On the other hand, an ill-conceived logo can send the wrong message. Unprofessional, gimmicky, or dated. A logo is one part of a company's brand identity. The brand as a whole represents more: the company's mission, its history, and how people perceive it. Along with the logo, the brand includes, amongst other things, the typefaces used throughout the company colors, the building signage, the staff uniforms, and any advertising themes. A logo is not a brand, but it is a very important, possibly the most important, aspect of that brand.